Oh, wow. So it's not terrible, but not super great either. At least it looks like it's just very dirty. Oh, that sucks. This is really hard to find too, and this is like specific to the AMG ones. Looks very dirty. Supposedly this thing has 170,000 miles. Of course, it's the M113K, so it has the big brakes, 8-piston fronts. Look at that thing, massive. It's standing up on all four corners, so that's a good sign. Here's where I think what sent it to Copart. Supposedly the oil cooler is broken on it, so this looks like a contraption they just put together to see if it all, runs and works. But M113K. Oh, look at that pillarless coupe. Shoosh. I don't have the keys with me because my friend isn't here yet, but let's see. Let's just open it up. Wow, look at that. That is cool. How does one person get this car so dirty? Like, this used to be like a $150,000 car. There's literally like chrome everywhere. So to preface, this CL was bought off Copart, sight unseen, by my friend out in Seattle. And so he paid it, he got it shipped down here. I think it ended up, I don't remember exactly how much it costed, but very cheap for what these are. M113K, big brakes and all that other good stuff. There is a cool project that this is going to become. This is going to become a donor car for something else, and I'll let you guys know more about that in the future. But for now, this is it. She's here, and so far she definitely needs some work. That's for sure. But it's not like terrible. I think first things first is to give it a nice wash, because this thing is filthy, very filthy. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Looks like it's been sitting out in the desert. Let's see how she feels when you sit in it. Oh, wow. Oh, and it's got the push button start on the shifter. That's not common, is it? I mean, I guess you guys just let me know if that is, but I don't think that's pretty common. Or does it come with it? Not really sure what that is. A lot of car Sentries. Questionable history. It's in the glove box. Lights. Some random screws. How does this get broken? Overall, just really dusty. Let's pop the hood. If I can find the hood latch. Is this it? No? The glorious M113K. Missing the windshield washer stuff. Looking at this gives me a great idea on what the differences are between the M113K bolting up a supercharger on it versus the NA M113. I'm over here already comparing to see what the differences are. I'm gonna park them next to each other just to give it kind of like a difference comparison. Even with this engine in here, you still got, if you had the intake off, you still got a good amount of room to, see the headers and whatnot. Pretty cool. I wonder if the CL has a hole for the manual swap too. Can't see. That'd be very funny. I don't think any of these cars ever came in a manual, so I highly doubt it. It's a nice color too. Just need to be washed. Like, this car would look 100 times better if it was just washed. But yeah, I believe she has 175,000 miles. Ignore that. That's probably from the oil cooler leaking just a bit of oil. As far as I know, they just wanted to see if it runs good. Supposedly it runs great. We'll find out. Not sure what that is. I'm guessing maybe the reservoir for, I don't know, something. You know, little things, just have to buff out the headlights. I mean, that's easy. These headlights actually look pretty similar to the ones I have on the CLK. Sheesh. Wonder if everything works. I mean, all the windows are down, so sunshade, rear sunshade over there. As far as creature comforts, it's pure basic Mercedes. I mean, it has, you know, all the same stuff. Heated and cooled seats, it looks like, too. But I've always loved these cars. I had a friend who had one of these. I actually have a video of it on my channel, and he put air suspension on it, and it was a pretty cool car. You can tell it's made for more like grand touring kind of stuff. But I mean, it's so massive. I guess it's not really that much bigger. Looking at it compared to the E55. She sounds fine.
Right?
That sounds like an M113 to me with a supercharger.
Cool.
It didn't even blow any blue smoke.
No? Sorry, I meant to video.
No, I was talking about it a while ago, and I don't know.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah. Oh my god! I brake boosted and it started spinning.
Jesus.
That was insane.
Why are you brake boosting a supercharged car?
I just wanted to see what would happen.
Yeah, it's
right?
definitely faster than Jag.
That's embarrassing.
Are we sure that Jag makes 600 horsepower?
No.
Just thought I'd do a quick video on this XKRS that my friend just picked up. It looks so good. I mean, look at that thing. Ugh. I remember seeing this on Top Gear. I think Richard Hammond or Jeremy Clarkson test drove one. God, it is so good. And I love the little details on it, like these canards, but they made it like molded into the bumper almost. The carbon fiber accents and just like, wow. Supposedly it makes like 600 something. We'll find out if that's true or not. Same tires on my CLK, except, you know, with double the horsepower. Wow. Man, that thing looks so good.
I doubt it now. After this, I'm like, no, that Jag definitely has to only make like in the 500s to the wheel. Maybe it's
Right.
like 670
It's at the engine, yeah.
and it has like a 20% loss or something.
Man, that was exciting.
Yeah, this thing's...
And that's great. You know, as far as we know, this is stock.
Yeah.
Which
but
is...
it looks like the exhaust tips, I mean, they don't say like AMG on them, so...
Yeah, someone did some ghetto exhaust work.
Yeah.